Want better vegetables and a healthier garden? Crop rotation is the answer. It's a simple idea that makes a big difference. Moving your vegetables to different parts of your garden each year keeps the soil healthy. This helps your plants grow big and strong. Crop rotation also reduces pests. This means you can grow more food naturally. Let's explore how crop rotation works and how you can use it in your garden. Crop rotation is like musical chairs for your vegetables, but with a purpose. Every year, you switch where you plant each type of vegetable to keep the soil healthy. Why is this important? Imagine eating the same meal every day in and day out. You would get tired of it, and it wouldn't be good for you in the long run. The same goes for plants. Different plants need different nutrients from the soil to grow strong and healthy. Planting the same thing in the same place year after year depletes the soil of essential nutrients. This is called soil depletion, and it can lead to weaker plants. Crop rotation also helps with pests by keeping them on their toes. Pests like to stay in the soil near their favorite plants, waiting for their next meal. Moving the plants disrupts their life cycle and reduces their numbers, making your garden healthier. Not all vegetables are created equal when it comes to crop rotation. Each type of vegetable has unique needs and characteristics. They belong to different families, and each family uses different nutrients from the soil, which affects how you should plan your garden. Knowing which family a vegetable belongs to helps you plan your rotation more effectively, ensuring healthier plants and better yields. For example, tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants are all part of the nightshade family, which has specific nutrient needs. Other important families include legumes, like beans and peas, which can actually help replenish nitrogen in the soil, brassicas, such as cabbage and broccoli, which are heavy feeders and require rich soil, and alliums, like onions and garlic, which have their own unique nutrient requirements. Try to rotate between families each year to prevent soil depletion and reduce pest problems. This ensures that your soil stays balanced and your plants get the nutrients they need, leading to a more productive and sustainable garden. Section 4. Planning your garden beds. Now that you understand the basics, let's plan your garden. This is an exciting step where your vision starts to take shape. Divide your garden into beds, at least 3 or 4. This helps in managing the space efficiently and ensures better growth. Each year, you'll rotate the crop families through these beds. For example, this practice helps in maintaining soil fertility and reducing pests. Bed 1. Year 1. Legumes. Year 2. Brassicas. Year 3. Nightshades. Year 4. Alliums. This sequence helps in balancing nutrient usage. Bed 2. Year 1. Brassicas. Year 2. Nightshades. Year 3. Alliums. Year 4. Legumes. Rotating crops like this prevents soil depletion. Bed 3. Year 1. Nightshades. Year 2. Alliums. Year 3. Legumes. Year 4. Brassicas. This method also helps in breaking pest cycles. This is just an example. Feel free to modify it based on your specific needs and preferences. You can adjust it to fit your garden size and the vegetables you like to grow. Tailoring your plan ensures you get the best results from your garden. Section 5. Practical crop rotation tips. Here are some handy tips for successful crop rotation. Start small. If you're new to this, begin with just 2 beds and 2 crop families. Keep records. Note down what you planted in each bed each year. This helps you stay organized. Add compost. Compost adds nutrients back into the soil. Add a layer every year. Watch for pests. Even with crop rotation, you might still see some pests. Monitor your plants regularly. Section 6. Happy gardening. Crop rotation is a simple yet powerful technique. It's like giving your garden a magical potion for healthy soil and happy plants. Start incorporating crop rotation into your gardening routine today. You'll be amazed by the results. For more in-depth information, consult gardening books or your local agricultural extension office. Happy gardening!